Today we'll talk about strings in JavaScript. First of all, let's open our console, right click, inspect and console, and here we'll write a string. So string is basically any text, or more precisely, it's a sequence of characters. Now what is a character? Character is just all the things that is present on your keyboard. Now characters are all the ABCDs, both uppercase and lowercase, numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and special characters like at the rate, hashtag, and percent, and even a blank space is a character. So let's write any text. Let's say hello world. Now this is a text. But to tell the JavaScript that this is a text, we need to put this inside quotations. So we'll put one inverted comma at the start and one inverted comma at the end. So now this text hello world becomes a string in JavaScript. Notice here we have these letters and a blank space. So these are the characters. H is a character, E is a character. So even this blank space is considered as one character. So that's why this sequence of character became a string. Now you can press the enter and here you will get your string. Just like numbers, we can also add strings. Let's say here if we write hello, and then if we add this with world, and make sure both these things should be a proper string only. Even if you miss one of the inverted commas, then this addition won't work. So here you can see the result that we are getting is hello world. Let's press enter. There we go. Notice one thing, there is no space between hello and world. It's because there was no space in either hello or world. Now to fix that, let's copy this code from here and paste it here. Now a shortcut for copy and paste, here what we can do is, if we press up arrow on our keyboard, we'll get this exact same code that we have written here. And if we press once more, then we'll get the previous command, just like that. Now this time press down arrow key to get hello plus world. So you can either put space after hello or before world. Both works. Or you can even add another string with just space. So here we'll write another string with just space, and then we'll add this with world. So here we have added 3 strings. Press enter. Beautiful. Now this addition of string is called concatenation. We can even add string to a number. Let's say we write our first string as scores. So we'll write score and then we'll put a plus, and let's add a number 5 and we get score 5. Notice one thing, the result score 5 is a complete string. Earlier we had one string and one number. The data type of both these values are not same. We are adding two values of different data type. One is a string and another is a number. But in JavaScript, if any one of the value is string, then JavaScript automatically converts the another value into a string, which means technically it is score plus 5 but in a string like this. JavaScript automatically converts this number into a string just like this, and then it adds score and 5. This feature of JavaScript of automatically converting a number into a string is called type cohesion or automatic type correction. As I told you, this is a string and this is a number. You can even confirm this by yourself using another function of JavaScript called type of. So you will write type of and then put a space, and after this whatever value you will write, JavaScript will tell you the type of that value. Let's say we write a number 5. There you go, it's a number. That's why this function returned number. Now again let's try this same number but as a string. Now you will see it is saying it is a string. Now you can even put this entire value score plus 5 to see the combined data type of this value. So you can write type of scores plus 5, and let's put this inside a bracket. so that it's easier to see. There we go. It's saying the combined result of score plus 5 is a string. Now here you might be thinking, what will happen if we add another number after this? So let's try that. So we'll write score plus 5 plus 4. We got score 54. Let's say we want it to be score 9, not score 54, because we want to first add this. Now why we are getting score 54? It's because first JavaScript solve this first operation, that is score plus 5, and the result is score 5 inside a string, and then it went on to the next operation, that is plus 4. So now this is a string and this is a number, so therefore this both become string, and by using string concatenation this became score 54. Since both the operation were plus only, so JavaScript followed the order from left to right. Now if we want JavaScript to perform this calculation first, so what we can do is we can put them inside a bracket so that they will have a highest priority. There we go. Now we got the score 9.